Alright, welcome to the iOS demo for Bitwarden. As you can see, we have the Bitwarden application here on our phone. You can get it from the iOS App Store, as well as get.bitwarden.com, and it will automatically take you to the correct download link. So we'll go ahead and open up our application. You're prompted to log in. We'll go ahead and enter our email address and our master password. And then we're going to go ahead and log in. Organizations may have restrictions on the length and complexity of the master password that you do have to create, so keep that in mind when you log in. So we're presented with our vault. We have logins, cards, identities, and secure notes, as well as folders and collections. Collections are items that are shared from an organization to a user. Within our screen here, we can also use the tabs at the bottom to navigate between My Vault, our password generator, and our settings. To use some of the features of Bitwarden, we'll want to go ahead and enable autofill. So in your settings, you'll just click on autofill. You're presented with instructions on how to go into your iOS device settings and enable password autofill for Bitwarden. From there, we'll click on app extension and make sure that Bitwarden is selected. Alright, now that we have our app extension and autofill created, we'll go to unlock with Face ID. We'll touch that to enable it. It will verify my face, and now it is locked. I can also set my lock options for different time levels and intervals. After we get done setting up Face ID, we'll go ahead and log back into our vault and click on the logins. We can see the list of websites that we have saved already, and we can use Bitwarden to log into one of them. We can go right to Stack Overflow, click on the three dots, hit launch. It'll open the website for us. Here we're prompted to use our credentials from Bitwarden, authenticate it again, and we're logged in. Now we can go ahead and log into another application. We'll open up Dropbox, click on sign in, click on the lock icon, we'll click on the Bitwarden extension, we'll authenticate, select Dropbox, and log in. Now we're in our Dropbox account and can access all of our wonderful graphics. We can also use the premium feature for Bitwarden, the timed one-time passwords, to log into an application like Reddit. We'll open it up, hit login. Again, we're prompted. Authenticate. Log in. Our TOTP code is automatically copied to our clipboard. We'll paste it in, check code, and we're in. And that's it. Easy enough.